Hello, today's video is about technology trends in the home. And technology is kind of fun to me. I like finding out what's new and exciting. And there's some great things coming out that you may not be aware of that you can take advantage of in your home. They're cost effective, they're flexible, and they're robust. Hi, I'm devonna.meyer with eXp Realty, and I'm excited to share some ideas that you might look out for if you're going to replace some items in your home. First of all, let's talk about kitchen appliances. This has never been easier to have a smart kitchen with including Wi-Fi enabled slow cookers. I would love that. Voice controlled microwaves. Are you kidding? And refrigerators with tablet screens and interior cameras. I hope they don't make fun of me for what I'm eating. Also, decorative televisions. These televisions, known as TV frames, display beautiful artwork when not in use. And pet products. With pet ownership on the rise, gadgets for pets are increasing like crazy. And from treat tossing cameras and automatic dog doors to smart crates and litter boxes, the high-tech products choices for pets is becoming endless. Cutting edge cleaning, who wouldn't want some help with that, right? Make cleaning a breeze with gadgets like smart toilet bowl cleaners. I'm in. And robot mops, sounds good, and robot window cleaners. I like all three. So you can integrate your home with a smart hub. A hub unifies all your devices and appliances under one system, so you don't have to rely on multiple apps. Look into some of these items. I know they could make your life easier, and I'm certainly going to look into them when I go to replace my appliances and some of the things in my home. Again, thanks for coming to the Devonna Home Show. This is where real estate meets reality, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.